Every jar of Nutella begins with carefully grown hazelnuts. Modern harvesting combines skill with precision machinery.
Clean collection protects flavor from the very start.
Volume and care move together in modern Nutella supply.
From field to factory, speed matters. Every shipment is precisely measured.
Quality begins before the factory doors.
The journey to processing begins.
Logistics power modern food manufacturing. Distance never stops production.
Raw harvest nears transformation.
Controlled entry protects the process.
A massive system waits inside.
Precision continues at every step. This is where manufacturing truly begins. Rival is only the beginning.
Controlled movement protects consistency. Hidden safety systems guard every batch. Elevation prepares for deeper processing. Material is guided, never forced. Uniformity begins with control. Only the best continues. Surface purity is essential. Clean input ensures stable output. Consistency is engineered.
Only precise material moves on.
The core factory awaits. Controlled environments preserve quality. Now the real transformation begins. Every journey has a controlled handoff. Scale defines modern food production.
Every entry is controlled.
Flow never stops. Precision in motion.
Inside, systems take over.
Clean hands protect every jar.
All right, team, safety check complete. Let's get started.
Safety and quality move together.
This is where scale meets precision.
Automation begins the flow.
Motion brings transformation. Purity is engineered. Clean material builds trust. Preparation continues. Moisture is controlled. Now, flavor development begins.
Defects are identified instantly. Only the finest remains. Weight reveals quality.
Human skill supports automation.
Invisible safety layers operate constantly. Clean input protects flavor.
Heat begins transformation.
Flavor develops through control.
Heat is carefully released. Stability follows heat. Texture is refined.
Only core remains. Enhanced
Surface quality matters. Now structure will change. Hazelnuts begin their transformation into creamy essence. Precision ensures consistent texture. Control begins in every batch.
Sweetness is introduced carefully.
Flavor layers combine seamlessly.
Texture is perfected.
Emulsion locks flavor and consistency.
Uniformity defines quality.
Temperature prepares texture. Controlled cooling perfects spreadability. Flow is guided precisely. Holding ensures perfect timing. Every jar begins with rigorous taste control. The essence of Nutella is perfected. From raw nuts to spreadable perfection, the journey continues. The Nutella cream prepares for its final form. Precision ensures every jar is consistent.
Only perfection continues onward.
Sealing freshness is next. Every jar is locked in flavor. Brand identity meets precision. Every jar meets visual standards. Movement is seamless from filling to storage.
Security and quality go hand in hand.
Stability is engineered for every detail.
Human eyes complement machines. Packaging readiness begins here.
Efficiency and care combine. Sealed for transport and freshness. Traceability ensures quality control.
Every shipment is measured precisely.
Organization prepares for distribution. Protection for the journey ahead. Storage ensures products stay pristine. Automation orchestrates efficiency at every step. Precision robotics handle weight with grace.
Protection and stability are engineered. Information flows as fast as the product.
Flow is optimized without pause. Climate is maintained to preserve quality. Direction is guided by intelligent systems. Robots reduce human strain while increasing speed.
Precision ensures safety and stability. Eyes and sensors replace guesswork. Efficiency is engineered into every step.
Automation bridges factory and logistics.
Loading is precise and safe.
Cycle repeats seamlessly. Central oversight ensures flawless orchestration.
Safety integrates naturally with speed.
Every movement is tracked meticulously. Precision choreography keeps operations fluid.
Vertical space is utilized efficiently.
Every system waits ready for the next flow.
Attention to detail defines the finishing process.
Every layer is verified.
Technology ensures accuracy beyond human eyes.
Protection is built into every corner.
Uniform tension prevents damage.
Only stable pallets proceed to shipment. Double verification secures traceability. Efficiency consolidates flow. Precision alignment avoids future mishaps.
Even the finest details are examined.
Safety wraps every shipment.
Every pallet is accounted for.
Flow moves seamlessly toward storage.
Mechanical handoff bridges movement and storage.
Heavy loads handled with care. Organization preserves efficiency. Order and precision dominate the storage floor.
Automation bridges storage and distribution.
Traceability continues through shipment. Everything is poised for delivery.
Rigorous testing safeguards every jar.
Every batch undergoes meticulous examination.
Texture consistency is essential for spreadability. Chemical balance ensures safety and taste.
Expert senses complement technology. Sense sensors complement technology.
Safety begins with rigorous microbiological checks.
Temperature and time reveal potential risks.
Every jar meets allergen safety standards.
Approval triggers the final journey. Cleanliness maintains trust and integrity. Every approved jar is ready for dispatch. Continuing with Phase 10, packaging, storage, and dispatch.
Prepared pallets await the final journey. Every shipment is handled with precision.
And this is how modern factories produce Nutella from start to finish.